Hello YouTube, this is a video requested by one of my subscribers. Basically a quick review of the CMMG 22 long rifle conversion kit for an AR-15. It's a very simple device, very easy to use, uses straight blowback. It's made out of stainless steel, very high quality. They've been on the market for years. They work pretty well. It's not 100% reliable, but then again, 22s rarely are. If you use premium quality ammunition in this, I would say it's as reliable as any other 22 on the market. Accuracy's not bad. I'll do a follow-up video, maybe tomorrow or the next day, showing this thing on the range, and I'll show how well it shoots. So basically, this is the entire mechanism right here. Break open the action, pull out your old bolt, put this bolt in, and it basically turns your AR into a 22 long rifle. Now, it has this plastic cover, which protects this. This is basically a chamber insert. It allows the whole mechanism to headspace properly. The chamber portion is right here where my thumb is pointing. That's where the rounds go in. There we go. You can see that better now. And it's basically a direct blowback action. And it goes in the weapon in seconds. And I will show you folks. Well, actually, I'm not going to show you because YouTube gets upset when you take guns apart. So we're just going to pop this in real quick. Takes about, I don't know, 10-15 seconds to install. Old bolt comes out. You use the same charging handle. They do sell ones directly for this, but I just use a regular charging handle. Put it in. And that quick, you now have a 22 long rifle AR-15. Has a lot of uses for something like this. Great for plinking, great for practicing the manual arms of an AR with live ammo that is pennies on the dollar compared to .223. Great for hunting small game, probably some tactical applications with a suppressor if you use your imagination. But it is a very, very handy setup. I'm going to say it's about, with premium ammo, I would say it's about 98% reliability rate. You know, not quite 100, but pretty reliable. With the bulk stuff, you know, it's like any other semi-auto AR, you're going to have malfunctions. Probably want a mag, but, you know, for hunting small game and stuff with premium ammo, I would say it's plenty reliable enough. Okay, so another neat feature to this, well, this comes as a kit. What I got, it's a CMMG kit, came with 3 magazines in the bolt carrier. I think it was about $165. They're still roughly that price now. But a neat thing that you can get for this is called the Catch-22 insert, and this is sold by catch22.com, arcatch22.com. It's about $5, and how this works is very simple. Take your AR, sling out of the way here, and this slides right on the front of the magazine well and snaps in, and then your rifle will take, or your pistol, this is a pistol, will take Smith & Wesson 15-22 magazines. So that's the factory 25 Smith & Wesson. And then you just pop this little guy off. It's got a nice little contour so it snaps on the mag well really positively. It won't fall off, but it's easy to take off once you want it to. And then it will use the mags that come with the kit. These work pretty good. I'm going to say the Smith & Wesson mags are probably a little more reliable, but you know, if you have a 15-22, just get the version that only comes with the bolt and 1 mag, because the 15-22 mags are probably a little better. So okay, so that's that. And of course, it's just as fast and easy. I'll do that now. To take this kit out and put the old mag, or the old bolt back in. We got this. And make sure your bolt's extended, of course, as always. Put that in. Snap it all back together. Function check. And now you have 223 AR again. And you always want to make sure you store this with the plastic insert on it, or the soft rubber cover, because that's where your head spacing takes place. You don't want that to get messed up. But that's it. Pretty simple system. Works really well. People have been using them for years. I really like it. It lets me shoot my AR, you know, much cheaper. So I'll burn through a couple bricks of 22 a month in my AR using this kit. And, you know, whereas to do that with 223 would be just incredibly expensive. So it lets me stay up on top of my game, my manual arms, you know, get a lot of practice in, a lot of muscle memory without breaking the bank. So it's a highly, highly effective kit. I highly recommend it. I'll do another video in the next couple days on the range showing how well it shoots. Okay, folks, have a good day. Thanks for watching.